In this video, I'll show you how to get night market in Valorant. Now to access the night market, simply launch the game during an active night market event period, alright? Where you'll find a dedicated icon on the main menu right here at the top right, as you can see, where you can click to view your personalized skin offers with a discounted prices. As you can see here, these offers are randomly generated for each player and remain the same throughout the night market duration. Just a quick heads up, there is no refresh or reset button for the market, so you will have to choose from these skins only if you want to purchase anything from the night market. All right, now if yours is closed right here, if you can only see some cards, just go ahead and click on each card and you'll be able to see different available skins. All right, as you can see here, I'm not lucky enough to get a knife, but here Mage Punk Sheriff or Zero Fang Vandal is available. You can just go ahead and purchase this one later if I need to. Well, as you can see here, I have my lovely skins right here with the Riot Buddy, thanks to my Riot friend. Alright, and that's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.